Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Kyla Valerie Fuya, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ayan, medyo matagal akong di nakapag-vlog kung napansin nyo, and ngayon na lang ulit nakapag-vlog. So, balik vlog tayo. Medyo naging busy and medyo nag-struggle tayo for past few months. Pero, syempre, despite of those challenges, laban lang tayo palagi. Ayan guys, so for today's video guys, dadalhin ko kayo sa isa sa mga tourist spots here in Dubai. We're going to the largest frame here in Dubai, the Dubai frame. So, sobrang excited ako kasi it's my first time din doon. And hopefully, ayan, ma-tour ko kayo ng maayos doon para if you're planning to go to Dubai, isa to sa mga mapuntahan nyo. Kasi isa to sa mga new creation ng Dubai. And pag nakita nyo talaga siya outside, sobrang ganda. I'm not so sure inside kasi hindi pa rin naman ako nakapunta. So for today's video, samahan nyo ako guys na explore ang Dubai frame. And ayun, OOTD tayo ngayon kasi nga syempre, it's my first time doon. Ayan, but before that, huwag natin kalimutan. Ayan, let's play the intro. Hey guys, I'm back. So, ayun, I'm here right now in Max Metro Station. Ayan, for the information of the other, yung Max Station is the old Joplia Metro Station. Pinalitan na nila. So, right now, Max Station na siya. So, pag pupunta kayo dito, wag kayong malilito or baka hanapin nyo yung Joplia. So, at the moment, Max Station na siya. Wag kayong malilito guys. Ayan, pwede kayong malito sa ibang tao pero sa Metro Station, wag kasi maliligaw kayo. Mahugot yan. Ayan. So, I'll give you a 360 view from Max Station. So, ayan, para makita nyo yung mga buildings dito na malapit. Ayan. So, ang cute ng building na to. Sobrang ganda. And also, this one. Ayan. So, yan yung mga ongoing buildings na ginagawa dito sa Dubai. And I think by next year, ayun, fully open na siya. So, ayun, why I'm here, because itong metro station na to, ito yung pinakamalapit na metro stations going to Dubai frame. Ayan, sobrang malapit lang siya. Hindi ko nakunan kanina actually nung papunta ako dito while I'm on the train kasi medyo crowded kanina sa metro station. And ayun, so hindi ako nakapag-film. But I'll be showing you guys, ayan, yung Dubai frame na pupuntahan natin. So, huwag na nating patagalin kasi medyo mas maganda mag-view doon pag maliwanag pa. So, let's go. Hey guys! So, I'm back. Nandito na ako guys sa labas ng Dubai frame. Ayan, I'm just waiting for my friends para sabay-sabay na kaming pumasok. So, ayan. So, paano ako nakapunta dito? From Max Station, I took a taxi. Ayan, sobrang malapit lang naman siya dito. And you can walk din siguro, pero mas okay siya kung magta-taxi kayo since malapit lang naman. Yung nabayaran ko sa taxi is minimum lang. Actually, 8 dirhams lang siya. But here in Dubai kasi the minimum is 12. So, kung lower than 12 yung babayaran mo is babayaran mo pa rin is 12. Kasi yun yung minimum nila ang taxi. And those extra will donate naman in charity. So, it's good kasi we help people. So, ayan guys. I'm here already in Dubai frame. As you can see, sobrang ganda and I'm so excited. But the problem is, yung na-observe ko nung pumunta ako dito is medyo madaming tao. Ayan, nakita nyo? Medyo madaming tao and I'm not sure kung kung ano ba, kung fully booked ba siya today or I don't know. We'll see later guys. But ayun, for now, hintayin ko muna yung mga kasama ko. Ako yung nauna dito. Oh, early birds. Ayan guys. And hopefully makapasok kami sa loob. So I'll be updating you again tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I'll be updating you again later. Ayan.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I'm back. So ayun, nakapasok na kami dito here in Dubai Frame. We bought our ticket for 52 dirhams. Ayun, dumating na rin yung mga kasama ko. So wag na natin patagalin. Let's go. We're here na inside, nakapasok na kami. Yan. So mag-explore na tayo here in Dubai Frame. Let's go. Guys, so ayun, bago nila kami papasukin dun sa Dubai Frame, ayan, they let us to in here first para makita namin yung history ng Dubai. So I'll be showing you. Let's go inside. Okay guys, so hinihintay na namin yung elevator na bumaba, tapos aakyat na rin kami. So we're here. So there you go guys, nandito na kami in elevator. Look at the view. Sobrang ganda. And so we're here na inside guys, look! Sobrang taas! Look at the view! So we're here na inside guys, sobrang ganda, sobrang taas nitong Dubai Frame pala. And look at that view, it's so stunning. Sobrang impressive. Ayan, i-switch ko guys yung ating camera para makita nyo pa yung mas view kasi the light is so dark in here. Hey guys, so the best thing na makikita nyo talaga here in Dubai Brain is yung view ng Dubai, the Burj Khalifa, the different types of buildings na meron here in Dubai. And as you can see on my background, ayan, kitang-kita nyo siya and it's so attractive, it's so stunning kasi nga yung mga lights makikita nyo talaga in there. And from here, eto, makikita nyo rin yung view sa baba, medyo scary siya. Ayan. Pero it's very safe naman siya kasi maraming mga securities, maraming nagbabantay. And ayun, meron lang talagang limit kung saan ka lang pwedeng pumunta. There you go. It's a great experience syempre na makapunta pa rin dito. And hopefully mas ma-explore ko pa at ma-tour ko pa kayo dun sa mga different tourist spots here in Dubai. There you go. So, the cost of the tickets here is 52 dirhams. Ayan, hindi naman siya masyadong kamahalan. And it's very affordable. So, ayan guys. So, kung gusto niyo pumunta ng Dubai Frame, mag-visit na kayo. They are until 9 PM only. Ayan. Sobrang ganda dito sa taas. Bring your jowa, bring your family, and it's a great experience. So, I'll be ending this video guys. Again, makikijoin muna ako dun sa mga friends ko kasi nakaiwalay ako sa kanila because I'm filming. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Ayan guys, huwag kalimutan na makapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube account and hopefully guys, mapanood nyo pa yung mga different videos na i-upload ko. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. I love you all.